Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today is the Bay Area ham meet, and I finally woke up early. It is a 45-minute drive, guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and just load up my car right now, and let's hit the road. My tape player is completely on max volume, and I still can't hear it. I used to always be so annoyed at the GT3076 spooling so quickly. For some reason in the wagon it's not spooling while I'm driving, but it is on demand. Listen to it. It's so on demand. I love it. Still super foggy out here. This is how you know Bay Area ham is cracking. And it barely started like 2 minutes ago. Alright, let's go and film some cars. Got the homie Paper out here. Look at this. Look at this Z, man. Mr. Will Speck, bro. Out here with the Accord. Oh, what's good? Right here? That's you?
That's it. I'm a big data.
Oh, I gotta check it out in a second, bro. Will's out here with the Accord. I'm not entirely sure what's going on with the skinnies in the front, but always drive Honda Accord. A little demo car that he's been putting. You guys seen this before at the Sonoma Raceway. Pretty sick, pretty sick. Guys, I saw this thing pulling up. I gotta record it. They're trying to come in, they're trying to go out. Dude, this place is fucking packed. But anyways, guys, I've been talking for a couple of hours now, and I just need to go film some cars before everybody starts taking off. So quickly, I just want to like walk past all these D1 cars, man. These are the cars I used to watch when I was yay high as a kid at Sacramento Raceway. I actually haven't seen this one in a while, and I actually haven't seen this one in a while. If you guys are OGs, you guys know Del Sol with the Type R front end. And I used to watch this as a kid, and I was always so intrigued by it, and then it disappeared for so long, but now it's back. It's out and about. It's got an H2B in it, and this one's also going to be racing this year as well too. But dude, it's freaking awesome to see the old school cars back out. And then Coleman's got the all-wheel drive Evo. This one's out here as well too. They just painted this car not too long ago. Last I remember, it was yellow, and then he just recently painted this thing like 2 weeks ago, the MR2. This thing makes about a little under 900 horsepower, dude. It's freaking crazy to see it out here. D1, man, at its finest. This thing does wheelies. I thought about it so many times, never did.
It's a whole piece.
Oh my God, you are kidding me. Yep. Guys, look at that. That's an EF sedan, dude. That's a diehard. That's crazy. I've been a diehard EF sedan all my life, and I don't even have a tattoo of any cars on me. Not even a Honda sign, but she has a whole ass. She has a whole ass damn portrait of a freaking sedan right there. A whole scenery and everything. That's crazy. That's mad respect right there. That's freaking awesome. I'm just gonna plow through all these cars, guys, because every couple of steps I get pulled over to get talked to. So I'm just gonna plow through. Hey, Brian, here's your car, Brian. Jamil went through this entire car, bro, and this thing is running solid. If you guys don't remember, this is Slimeball's car. Damn, my guy. He's still on the slicks. He's still on the slicks. Yeah.
Going to Cloudwater after?
They're going to Cloudwater after.
If you guys remember the shootout video, Chris was out there putting in the work. He's still on his slicks. You guys may have seen this car many and plenty of times in Automotive Anatomy, Speed Options, a lot of times in SoCal as well too. But he's based out here in San Jose. Man, look at this. Good old beef. They were telling me They were telling me just now that they might go to Mexico right after this, so we'll see what happens. Get some of these cars real quick before everybody starts rolling out. Oh my god, look at all the zinc in this thing, dude. It looks so good. I parked my wagon right there. This is the homie Dave's car. So the last time I seen this thing, it was freaking all motor K, and apparently it's got an intercooler on it. And what this looks like the supercharger that came out of Chris's car. So Dave's car is freaking K supercharged now. This car was tracking at Button Willow, I think it was, or Sonoma, or no, actually Laguna Seca, no, Button Willow, and it was all motor K, and now it's supercharged. It's got the road tracks on it. Dude, look at this OG right here. Ooh, that is so clean. The Powerline cars out here, these guys drive far. Do a quick little stroll. A lot of people are leaving, which is crazy because, like, even with a lot of people leaving, this whole entire place is packed. Bay Area ham, guys, don't miss it, dude. It's always a great turnout. Look, it's got a Cambodian flag on it. I'm still debating on copping a set of these NCO ones right here, the Group B wheels. I want some silver ones or some black ones for the KRX. I don't know about you guys, but the white on white, oh, that goes so good together. Got a Del Sol out here. Looks like a Captiva blue. Okay, we get it. But yeah, dude, look at this. Super clean. Holy cow, dude, look at this. Somebody come look at this. Got to show some love to the new cars as well too. The FL5 has been growing on me, man. I don't want to look at it because the more I do, the more I kind of want one. Simple case swap, that's all you need. On slipstreams, you guys know the deal. Another Del Sol over here. Oh, I love the dolphin nose, I ain't gonna lie. Got the Konigs on it. I don't know what that is. Type R, another Type R. Hey, Mauricio pulled up. Let's go. What? Guys, I'm usually one of the last people to leave the ham meet, but a lot of the boys are going testing, so I figured I'd just join them a little bit, see what we get into. Missed a gear or two. Woo, Giovanni drove that thing. All right, guys, so we're back at the pad. I went to go pump gas and I went to go grab some food as well too. And I'm looking at my tree because today is such a sunny day out. It looks so weird because there used to be a lot of shade and shadow over the cars, and now fully exposed, right? I guess that's good. But anyways, something is dragging in the front of my car. Didn't have any issues going there and coming back up until about 2 miles out from my exit. I hear like something dragging. I don't know if it's my belt, because I went to go grab food and it sounded like my car had a hard time turning over, like the alternator wasn't charging the battery, and I'm driving on the battery. We'll check it out in just a second. But anyways, I brought some merch with me to the ham meet, and I only sold two because I was near my car. Most of the time I was walking around chopping it up with everybody else, and not everybody knew I brought merch, and never mentioned I was going to bring merch. I only brought merch for those who would ask in for it, and I decided to bring a bunch anyways. But I sold two, so that's freaking awesome. And now I just have a bunch to take with me to the track. I'm only going to add more to this pile now that I've already had it made. I think I'm just gonna put a tote away, right? So I'm gonna order more, and then I'm just gonna take 1, 2 every so often and just kind of like pile up the designs. I only brought 3 designs with me, which I'm an EF guy, so I brought the CRX, I brought the wagon, and I brought the sedan with me because, you know, EF guy, EF things. But obviously I have like Project Blueberry and some of the other designs. But eventually I'm gonna pile up this merch to take with me to car meets and also to like track events and stuff. But I'm not going to touch it here when I get an order. When I get an order, I make a new shirt. When I go to the track, I bring this tote. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and grub real quick, and we'll find something to do. So I've been trying to catch up on Sick Week while I was eating Wingstop. I actually finished a while ago, and I watched the episode before that, which was like 45 minutes. And this one I'm about halfway through, which is 1 hour and 20 minutes. So I'm taking a break from that. I'll catch up with that when I get back into my room. Right now I want to utilize the daylight. Today is a beautiful day, and I want to see what's going on with my wagon. So let's see if there's something dangling underneath the car, because it sounds like it's just like, I don't know, like hanging underneath the car or something, because I can hear it like clacking around. This morning it was so freaking frosty that I didn't even know the cats jumped on my car until we went to the meet. And it makes sense, Dana cats pull up in the wagon and there's freaking paw prints literally everywhere. I told you guys, once I wash this car tomorrow, it'll be dirty again. But anyways, let's see what's going on in here. I don't know, it sounded weird. It didn't drive crazy or nothing like that. It just didn't feel the same as if I was driving to ham. So let's see what's going on, because I hate to know something is dragging. Maybe something is okay. I don't see anything unusual, to be honest. There's definitely nothing under here. Ooh, that flex pipe need a change out. Okay, nothing unusual here. Come over to this side. Yeah, I don't see anything unusual. Starter, alternator's tight. Like I mentioned, it felt like the car had like a weak crank, so I might want to check like voltage to make sure my alternator's charging. This has been the same alternator in my car since this car has been K-swap, which was 2015. Yeah, I don't see anything unusual at all. I'm debating on buying this EF clutch conversion for the right-hand drive EF2, just to make it full hydro legitimately, because this thing feels freaking beautiful in the wagon. Although this car has a twin disc, it doesn't really bother me at all, and I kind of want to do the same for this car. But yeah, I don't see anything unusual. Okay, well, that's that. So I want to move my KRX back into its hibernation spot, but I'm kind of like taking a step back and looking at my driveway here. We got the JDM EF2, we got the Bulldog, we got the Cookie Monster, the Silver Bullet, the KRX, and we're just missing the H2B CRX in the storage unit. Today I actually wanted to drive the H2B CRX because ham meat wasn't too far, but I left long before the storage unit can open. I thought about this when I was washing the wagon last night, that I wanted to drive the H2B CRX at least one time, for the one time before it finds a new home. I want to drive that car a little bit somewhere. I don't know where, maybe the CRX meet or something, I'm not sure, but I do definitely want to take it out of the storage unit and stretch legs on it. It's still insured, it's still registered, and I can drive it right now, but it kind of slipped my mind for today. But regardless, it's nice to stretch the leg in the wagon a little bit. But I'm gonna take a little bit of pictures with all my cars right here on the driveway currently, and then move the KRX back into the boonies over there. All right guys, so I did get caught up with a sick week and kind of lost the daylight a little bit. Honestly, I really didn't want to do anything else after the ham meet. I really just wanted to go hang out with the boys, just have a chillax Sunday, and we ended up going to Mexico, watch some races and stuff. I was hoping that I was going to run my car, but I decided not to because young nephew was trying to learn how to race, and you know, they were kind of giving him the road to do so. But you know, Dave be calling me out, but I'm just making up excuses to not line that car up. But anyways, super fun day with the homies, and I will say though, the highlight of my day is seeing all the Dimensional 1 cars. Dude, I was a young buck when I used to watch all those cars at the track. They disappeared for a long while, and I've even raced Sacramento so many years before they closed and still not see any of the D1 cars out. And then boom, all of them popped up today at the ham meet. That was freaking awesome. But I wanted to work on the JDM EF2 today just to kind of fulfill the rest of my day until I watch Sick Week. But I thought about the stuff that I want to do is a little extensive, and I kind of want to do it all together instead of pieces at a time. I was going to start like kind of putting the stuff back into the engine bay, but yeah, it's kind of dark, sorry. But it's going to take a lot of cleaning process with everything before I put it back into the engine bay. The brake lines, the booster, the master. Actually need to go buy a master since we're doing the big brake upgrade. I need the EX1516 master, the same one I bought for my Civic wagon. That requires money. So all of this stuff, I'm probably going to just tackle it tomorrow. I just want to chillax the rest of the night. It is the Super Bowl. The whole family's here. If you guys see all the cars, they're all here. I'm like the only one that's in the garage. So I do kind of want to just wrap it up for tonight. You know, short and simple one for you guys. The ham meet, if you guys are within the area or are willing to drive any of the ham meet out here in the Bay Area, is always cracking. Actually, Jerry is bringing the ham meet down to Central Cali as well too. I'll try to find a flyer and stick it on here right now, but I think he's going down to Central Cali. So if you guys are out there, man, attend the ham meet, dude. It's always a great freaking time. But anyways, I think we're gonna wrap it up for this video. It's getting a little chilly as well too, although I've worked in the cold and the rain before. No real excuse. I just want to hang out. That's all I want to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video a little bit. If you guys did, be sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you guys want to stick around for more progress on the JDM EF2, because I need to start diving into it, getting all the stuff that belongs to it out of the garage back into the car, so we can get it one step closer to putting the BATC Type R back into the car. So if you guys want to see that, be sure to hit that subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.